Fred Everything is a world-renowned DJ in the house music scene. Early in his career, he was given the name Everything because his diverse DJ sets proved that he could comfortably navigate a variety of genres from house to techno and drum and bass to ambient. Over the course of his career, he's released over 200 productions. In order to quickly create as many songs as Fred has, you have to establish a creative workflow to get the technology out of the way so that you can stay in a creative flow and continue moving forward. In this Puremix.net exclusive, Fred shows you how he sets up his writing template so that he can stay creative while quickly creating exciting arrangements, remix, and make rough mixes. In a live remixing style session, Fred demonstrates his techniques and offers you tips and tricks to stay in the zone and increase your speed. Once you've seen how Fred does it, you can download a copy of his template that's been carefully translated to every major DAW and try it out for yourself. Watch Fred Everything explain his template, workflow, and techniques, only on Puremix.net.